steering wheel here.
What are you doing in there, Sam? Sam? Come on.
Sam! Oh,
What do you got down there?
God knows what he wants to do.
Look at, he's getting some bubble gum.
I think it's just trash.
So you didn't get warned to not leave your car open?
I didn't even.
I got a
think
Rice
about it.
Krispie treat. Maybe he'll come out for
Oh,
that.
Go get it. Go get
It's
it.
in my,
Give it to him.
it's
Where's
in my,
that?
it's in my purse. Sam, come on.
Oh, I don't know how to work my own phone. I mean, I really don't.
Sam. Oh, look, we got a Rice Krispie treat for you.
To get a picture of him. But
Let me have a bite first.
You got it. Look at this, Sam.
Look, Sam.
Lure him out.
Come on. Come get the Rice Krispie treat. It's yummy. Oh, Sam, come on. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Come get his treat.
Come on,
Come on,
Sam.
Sam.
Look at it.
There we go.
Right.
Oh, look at him. What is this good stuff here?
Look at Sam.
Sam.
He's got his Rice Krispie treat now.
yes?
Is that good?
Oh, that's good stuff here, Sam.
You like that? He's sitting there eating a Rice
This
Krispie
thing
treat.
is a hoot. Are you filming
It worked,
this?
didn't it?
Got him right out.
Got
Are
him
you
right
filming
out.
too?
Good old. I took
Oh, you're welcome.
treats are always. Are you liking that?
Where's this lady to go eat?
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's not wait a minute.
I'm not waiting. I got a headache. I'm thirsty.
I got a headache.
Sam.
too.
Come,
Is that her up
can I
there?
have? Yeah.
Is that her up there?
Sitting in the car waiting for us. Yep.
okay. Oh, let's go. Bye,
Bye,
Sam.
Sam.
Bye, Sam.